Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a vegetarian recipe for all paneer lovers. Now today we are trying Lasooni Dhaniya Paneer, that is garlic and coriander leaves paneer. So this is a slightly different recipe from the regular paneer recipes that you would have had. So the ingredients list is given in the description box below. And for more such paneer recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. So let's jump into the recipe. So I've heated some oil in a pan on medium flame. Into this I'm going to add some finely chopped onions. And then we are going to saute this and cook them until they turn slightly brown. Once the onions are browned, add in some ginger garlic paste. And then we'll cook until the raw smell disappears. Now while this is cooking, I'm going to make a coarse paste out of the garlic, coriander leaves and green chilli. Just coarsely grind it for added flavor. Now it's time to add the masala powders, that's turmeric, red chilli powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. So I'm going to add everything into the onion ginger garlic mixture and cook the masala slightly. Once the masalas are done, we're going to add in the coarse green chilli, garlic and coriander mixture and give it a nice mix. And then make sure that the onion mixture cooks well. Now we're going to add a little bit of hot water and we'll gradually keep adding hot water and building up a gravy. So now I'm going to add some whisked curd into this. Make sure you bring the temperature down before adding the curd so that it doesn't split. So again, going to mix everything together and cook it for a few minutes. So I'm going to add some more water to this. Make sure you're adding hot water and not room temperature water. So mix everything together. Again, we're thickening the masala and making a gravy out of it. Now it's time to add the salt to taste. Again, mix up everything. And then add sufficient hot water to build a gravy. Now it's time to add the paneer pieces which I've already soaked in some hot salted water. This makes the paneer soft. Once the paneer is added, we'll bring it to a boil. And then add some fresh cream on top. Gently mix everything together. Now decide how you want the paneer gravy to be, if you want it dry or semi-gravy, and accordingly adjust the consistency. I'm also going to top it with some garam masala powder. Mix it in. And our paneer recipe is ready to be served. You can switch off the flame and then garnish it with some coriander leaves. So this is a nice recipe to try with some roti or paratha. So do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.